How to adjust the time and date on this clock. Here we have a manual, and adjust time and date is here, and we have to use 1, 2 and 3 keys. The fourth one will not be used, and the fifth one is not even mentioned. That is here in the center. That's not used. Here we have a correct time. It's 16 and 31. In normal mode, long press the C key, that is the lower right one, to enter into the settings mode. The second will flash, and then press the D key and you switch it with the B. So you start with the C key, long press it. Now if you press the D key, this one on the top right, it is just resetting the seconds. So if I press it again, it will go back to 0 again. Now to adjust another thing, we have to press this one, which is the B key. Now the second is flashing, and if I press this, now the hour is flashing. It says 16 o'clock and 33 minutes. So the hour, the 16 should be introduced here. That is done with the top right button. Let's keep on pressing it. Now the PM showed up, so I have to go back to PM, but 4 PM. I'm already on 5 PM. I cannot go back. Keep on pressing it, and now it's on PM 3 and 4. So that's the hour, that's that one. 16 o'clock is 4 PM. Now jump to the next one using this button in the lower left corner. 39, and there is 34. So once again, keep on holding the top right button and set it to 34. 3 and 4. After the second goes past 60, it will already go to 35. Yes, and here it's not yet 35. Whatever. The next one, that's the year 2000. We are in 2025. So keep on pressing the top right button, and that's it. Jump to the next one with the mode, that is the B key in the manual. Now that's the month. We are in February, that's the second month, so that's okay. 18, and it is 18, so that's okay too. So second month, 18th day. Next one, second is flashing again, and if I keep on pressing it, it's repeating hour, minutes, year, month and day. So to exit from here, short press the lower right corner, and that's it. You cannot adjust the day itself, that is automatically selected by setting up the year, month and day. So it's 4 o'clock and 36 minutes and 36 seconds. It is Tuesday, February 18th. By pressing this button, now you can switch it between AM/PM mode and 24-hour mode. So that's the 24-hour mode. It's even mentioning there 24 up there. And by pressing this again, it's AM/PM mode. Whichever you prefer. Let's use the 24. So that's how to set up the time and date on this clock. It's a Samda 2165.